Now how to install MagicAI, that's OpenAI content text image chat code generator SaaS script. So we'll be using code list to download this script for testing purposes. Let's go down straight to our code list.cc, open a tab code list.cc. Then next I click on my search button, then I search for what I'm looking for. What's the name? MagicAI. MagicAI. Let me say enter. OpenAI. Okay, here is it. Out, let me say, yeah, here is it. I click on it. Then I move down. To select any of this link. Let me save this. I copy, I open a new tab, then place it there, enter. Then next I click on download, but I have already downloaded it. So let me close this place. Next, let me go to my download. Here is it. And it's a raw file, so I double click to extract. Then next I click on extract to, then OK. So here is the extracted file. I double click to open it. Okay, this is my zip file which I'm going to send to my server. Then I go to my server. Okay, then I go to my subdomain. This is my subdomain. I click on file manager. Then next I select my subdomain. This is it. This is the subdomain I'm using. I double click to open it. Next I right click on this to extract. Okay. Next, I open the file, the directory. Then I select all, then move. I'm moving to the root folder. Move. And I click on move. Next, I click on back. Now I can now delete this. Confirm. Let me go to my databases. I want to create the database. So next I click on databases. I create database. I click on create database. Then I select the website I want to use. Database name, let me say test. Username, let me say this is my username. My password. Then I click on database successfully created. Then next I go to I have created my database. I have uploaded my file. So let me go to the site. Test. Then I click on enter. Let me /install. /install, then enter. Let me move down. Okay, I click on next. All are marked. Okay, fine. Then I click on next. Yes, I click on set up database. So let me set up my database. Okay, database name is going to be /test. I use test. Yes. Username I used this is what I used. That's my database username, then my password. Next I click on install. Okay, there's an error. The app name is incorrect. Let me see what's the name of the, let me say AI, MagicAI. Set up database. Database name. Test. Username. Install. So it has successfully installed. Installation completed. Now let me go back to my site. I have successfully installed my script. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my videos. If you love these videos, please, you can use code the beneath code to buy me a coffee. Thanks.